Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to switch Binance Lite to Binance Pro. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Binance application. Now, when you're there guys, everything you need to of course do is go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a Binance account. Now, when we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the official Binance official application, where we have, of course, in the bottom, we have the Markets tab, the Square tab, we have the Buy and Deposit tab, also the Discover tab, and the Portfolio at the end. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and log into your Binance, so switch Binance Lite to Binance Pro. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, you need to go and click on the top left corner. You can see that we have the Binance icon there, which you need to go and click on. When you clicked on there, as you can see in the bottom, we have the Binance Pro. Click on it, and here you can see, welcome to Binance Pro, where then you can go and buy the Binance Pro. So basically, that's how you can actually go and switch to Binance Pro from the Binance Lite. After that, you're going to go and again click on Binance Lite. And you're then again, as you can see, welcome to Binance Lite. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything. Bye guys.